Client-side validation for phone number using regular expression in HTML. So here is the regular expression. At the start, you have optional plus sum symbol. So you can add plus symbol as optional, and then you have two digits numbers like digits. The size is 2, and then you have optional space here, and then you have optional opening parenthesis, and then we have three digits digits with the size of 3, and then we have optional closing parenthesis, and after that we have optional space. We have period or dot and dash as well, and then we have digits with the size of 3, and then we have optional space, dot, as well as dash, and then we have digits with the size of 4, and that is the end. So let's try that out. So I will come here. We have optional plus symbol. So I will enter that. Then we have minimum up to maximum up to digits. So let's say 1 1, and then we have space. Then three characters or three digits. We have parentheses and dashes, that is optional, and then we have optional space, closing parenthesis, and a period, and then we have three digits more. So let's say 444, and then we have optional dash, period, and parenthesis. I'm gonna avoid that. Let's say 555. After that, we have five digits. So if I submit this, as you can see, it is submitted. And if you enter anything wrong, it's not going to be submitted because you have to provide the pattern that is provided in the pattern attribute. So that is client-side validation per phone number. Of course, that can be bypassed, but for client-side validation, it's good to have that.